Hey everyone, I made a little video for you about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Here's some easy steps that I'm sure you will enjoy. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is gather your ingredients. You're going to need bread, 2 slices, peanut butter, jelly or jam, and a knife. I chose creamy peanut butter and grape jam, just some of my favorites. You can use any kind of spreading utensil. I'm using a butter knife. And the first thing you're gonna do is just take one of your bread slices, doesn't matter which one. We're gonna go ahead and grab the jam or your jelly first. And I will tell you why you're gonna start with the jam or jelly first in just a minute. Alright, so let's go ahead and get some of our jam. Go ahead and just take a nice healthy amount, and you're just gonna spread it on evenly. Cover every little bit. Let's put a little more on and just spread that around. So here's why you want to start with the jam or the jelly first. See how it leaves all that jam and jelly on the knife? Well, there's no need to clean that off just yet. We're not done. So go ahead, take that knife and just smear it on the other side of the bread, your other slice. So go ahead and grab your peanut butter, and you want to keep your peanut butter at room temperature. Unless your label says to refrigerate it, then of course refrigerate it, but room temperature is usually pretty good. That way when you apply it, it doesn't tear your bread. So let's grab a nice big healthy amount and spread it on evenly. Careful not to tear the bread, which I did a little bit, and spread that on. That looks good. Now you do have a little bit of leftover. All you gotta do is just use the jar and scrape that off. Now you can take your napkin and wipe off your utensil. Throw that in the sink, and now let's take the 2 slices and we're just gonna put those together. There you have it, one beautiful peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Last but not least, if you're making this for one of those little ones, cut it in half. This will make it a lot easier for them to hold on to. Looks good. Bet you want to run and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich yourself right now. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.